Hi, this is Kyle Parker for Expert Village, and I'm going to show you how to track changes within a Microsoft Word document. So say your friend has been writing a synopsis on To Kill a Mockingbird, and they've asked you to review it, and you'd like to show them all the changes that you've made in their document when you send it back to them. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go up to View, and then bring up the toolbar for reviewing. So now you have your reviewing toolbar up here. You can now go to track changes. Once that's selected, any changes that you make in the document will then show up. So say this is wrong. Atticus Finch lived with his brother Jim. You know that it wasn't actually Atticus, that it was Scout. And so now your text is showing up as red because that's been changed. And then his widowed father is actually his name. So he's mixed up the names here. And so on, and so this is also wrong. And then say, oh, now you come up here and you want to make sure this is indented. And the same for this paragraph. And maybe the formatting is supposed to be double spaced for your essay, so you should come over here and double space it. And then now all these changes that we've made here will be showing up on the side that show each change that has been made since the document that they sent you. Then whenever you go to save this document and they open it up, they'll be able to see these different views, and they go to final showing markup. They'll see all your markups, and then once they agree to or change them back, then they can go to just the final view and then print it out, and you're all ready to go.